Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to find your Twitch stream key and server URL. If you are setting up OBS Studio, Streamlabs or any other streaming software, you will need both of these to start streaming on Twitch. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to the Twitch website. Sign into your Twitch account if you haven't already. Then click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Creator Dashboard. If the left menu is collapsed, expand it. Click Settings. Then select Stream. Under the Primary Stream Key and Preferences section, you will find your Twitch stream key. Click Show if you want to view it, or click Copy to copy it directly. Now let's find your Twitch server URL. Open a new browser tab. Search for Twitch ingest servers. Open the official Twitch ingest servers page. This page shows the recommended Twitch servers based on your location. Choose the server that's closest to you for the best streaming performance. Copy the server URL for your preferred server. As you can see, you will also need to add your stream key to the end of the server URL. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to find your Twitch stream key and server URL for OBS Studio, Streamlabs or any other streaming software. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.